Hi dancer friends, it's Miss Kelly. I'm going to teach you a little dancing part for our song in our show that's called American Song. You notice I have these cool red, white, and blue ribbon streamers. They're really neat. So we're going to be holding these, and I do have enough, I think, for everybody to have two, one for each hand, so that's what I'm showing you right now. Okay, there is a little section where there's no singing, and it comes along a bunch of times during the song. So each time that it comes back, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, just to keep it kind of simple because we don't have a lot of time. So you're going to do something called chasse, and it is where your one foot kind of chases the other foot, basically. So we're going to start with our right foot, step forward. The other one will try to catch up, but it'll just kind of go there, and then the front one again. Okay, so it'll be like right, and then you're going to switch sides, left and left. So the one that is in front is always in front, the other foot is trying to catch up, so it takes a little step just so you can take another step with this foot you started on. Okay, so that goes right, left and left, then you're going to march backwards, march, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to do a pivot turn, so you put your right foot forward, you turn your body around, then you're facing the back wall of the stage. Pick up that right foot that you did when you were going forward and put it forward again, but you're facing the other way, and then turn back around. So the left foot just stays underneath you and just turns. The right foot always takes the step. Okay, so what I taught you so far is chasse right, chasse left, marching backward, pivot, pivot. Okay, next we're going to do something called grapevine. We're going to go towards the right side, step to the side, other foot behind, and step to the side again. And then go back. 1, 2, 3, you're done. Okay? So I'm going to add that on to what I showed you before. So we're starting with this chasse right foot. Ready? Right and right, left and left, marching backward, right foot forward, and forward the new direction you're facing. And then we're going to grapevine, 1, 2, 3, and tap. 1, 2, 3, you're done. Then we're going to do a turn, just cross one foot in front of the other, and then just turn around, and you're gonna kneel down, because when everybody starts singing, we're gonna wanna be kind of low to the ground so we don't block the entire stage. And then when they are singing, like, sing now America, sing loud and strong, sing loud America, and then you're gonna, on sing an American, you're gonna get back up, because on song, you're gonna start dancing, okay? Turn around and then get down again. Okay, and it doesn't really matter to me if everybody's turning the same direction or not. So that is what we're gonna do most of the time. I am gonna have you, when you're on your knees for a part that is different, I'm gonna let you just freestyle down on your knees. So you could do wave them up and down, you could go side to side, same way, or take turns. You could do rainbows, you could do swirls, whatever you think. And this is on the part that goes, my country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. And if everybody can just do waves on, of thee I sing. Okay, and then, land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride. And then, from every mountainside, get up, let freedom, chasse, chasse, marching, marching, pivot, pivot, grapevine, grapevine, turn, and back down. Okay, so we do that a bunch of times, and then when we're on our knees, I kind of tried to make it similar to what everybody else is doing. So the next part is, oh beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, and then for purple mountain majesties above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed his grace on thee. And then get up on and crown the good with brotherhood. We're getting ready for the big finish where some people are going to come sing at the microphone. So I'm going to want you to go down to the steps of the stage, and I'll show you like where everybody's spot should be when we're there. And when you're on the steps, you can just also freestyle, because we're doing sing now, sing now. We're doing echo singing, and it's a lot. So I would maybe just keep doing stuff like this. But if you feel the music and you're doing something else while you're on the steps, just, we're waving them around. They look patriotic, and that's fine by me, okay? So there are some things that you need to do like all together, but a lot of the times it's just have fun and make your ribbons go with the music, okay? I'm gonna make a separate video with the music, and you can practice with that once you kind of understand what I explained to you here. Okay, happy practicing.